All right, welcome back to Lab 3, Introduction to Amazon EC2. I'm Richard Golson, and we are at Task 6, Test Stop Protection. Now, we know we can stop our instance when we do not need to access it, but we'd still like to retain it. When we stop an instance, the instance is removed from the host server. The EBS volume that is attached to it, however, is retained, and we only pay for the volume. In this task, we're going to learn how to use stop protection. So we have the web server selected, and so we're going to go to instance state, and notice that stop instance is available. When I select it, it tells us that after we stopped instance, we're no longer charged for usage charges or data transfer. We only get charged for the EBS volume and any associated elastic IP addresses. Great. If I hit stop, you'll notice that we get an error message at the top here, a warning saying that it may not be stopped because we've modified the attribute that allows us to stop it. So we are preventing stopping the state. So what we're going to need to do is go to the actions. And we did this earlier, by the way. When I go to actions and go to my instance settings, I should look for change stop protection. Disable that, hit the save. Okay. At this point, I should be able to stop it. And so I'll select from instance state here, the web server first, now select from the instance state, do the stop instance. I get that warning again, so everything looks the same, but now it tells me I successfully stopped it, and we can see it going into a stopping state. We'll go ahead and clear those messages there, clean things up. Eventually, this will stop. Now, for testing purposes or grading purposes, make sure you wait approximately 5 minutes, which I have 16 minutes left, so it should be fine, before I hit the submission report and see the results of my actions. So we'll do that now. And when we come back, we'll take a look at that. Okay, welcome back. About 5 minutes or so has transpired, and we can take a look at the submission report and see that these are the tasks that are being evaluated. EC2 instance creation, the access of the system log, the security group update, the EC2 instance update, the EC2 instance is stopped, and the failures that occurred. These are being pulled. This evidence of much of this is being pulled from logs. And you can see that we have success across all of these measures, and take a look at the grade book here. So we're good to go. So at this point, we're done. So I'm going to make sure I sign out appropriately from the EC2 console, and then I'll go ahead and end my lab. And that's it for Lab 3, Introduction to Amazon EC2. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the lab.